Hello guys, hope you are doing well. From this day, I will start a Capcut video editing series and you can make this type of short video.
What are 3 truths about the industry that you know to be absolutely true?
First, no matter how experienced you are, you should read whatever you are recording very carefully. You have to have an added value. They chose you, okay, you will do what they want, but you have to put a touch there that it's your signature.
The correlation between age and happiness is a smile. So 0 to kind of 25 is beer, Star Wars, making out, college football. 0 to 25 is usually pretty happy. 25 to 45 is what I call the shit gets real. You have kids, you have economic stress. Someone you love a great deal gets sick and dies. And generally speaking, these are the least happy years.
After that, you can make money by giving video editing services. So please support me and subscribe this channel. Let's get started. First of all, you need to download the Capcut software for your PC. Please download and install.